खुलुमबाय रायजोफोर आंनि बे इउटिउब चेनेलाव बयखौबो बरायनाय थाबाय। दिनै आङो मोननैसोल' खोथा बुंनो सानदों बा मोननैसोल' खोथा फोरमायनो सानदों। मैयानि जिहेतु दिल्लीयाव जानानै थांनाय पार्लामेन्टआव जोंहा आसामनिफ्राय रवंग्वरा नार्जारि बिथांनि बिखयसो आं फंनैसो खोथा बुंनो होननानै दिनै आंनि इउटिउब चेनेलाव नुजाफैनाय जादों। बिथांखौ आं बुंनो सानो, मा नोंथाङा पार्लामेन्टआव खन्थाइसो आवरायदो ना जोंनि आसामनि थाखायसो ना BTC नि थाखायसो खोथाखौ बुंनो होननानै थांदों। गोबां दिनै नों सारा बुंदों, नरेन्द्र मदि सारा जोंनि BTC बा BTR हालामाव जोबोद गोजोन थासारि लाबोबाय बा जौगानाय लाबोबाय होनना बुंदों। बास नोंथांनि बुंनायखौबो आं गनायबाय बा मानिबाय। नोंथाङा सानना लादों जे नोङो सासे गथ' गोरलै नङा होमबा, नोंथाङा सासे बहि लानानै बा बुकआव नट खालामनानै सासे गथ' गोरलै माने खन्थाइ आवरायनाय बायदि सानदों नामा नोंथाङा? खन्थाइ आवरायनानै बुंनाय बायदि सानदों नामा? बे खोथाया आं बुंनाय नङा। बे खोथाया नोंथांमोननो दसे उनाव बे खोथाखौ आं नोंथांमोननो दसे उनाव आं खोन्थालांगोन। मिथिबाय? बिथाङा बहि लायो माने ओरै बुंनायनिफ्रायनो माने ओरै जाखाङा, ओरैनिफ्रायनो ओरै जाखाङा। खन्थाइ आवरायनाय बायदि सानदों नामा? नोंथांखौ आं बुंनो सानो, जोंनि BTC आव बा BTR आव मा गोजोन थासारि फैदों। समग्र रायजो राजाफोरा मिथिजोबगौ बबेयाव जौगानाय फैदों, बबेयाव जौगानाय फैदों। दिनै जौगानाय फैदोंमोनब्ला, गोजोन थासारि जाबायमोनब्ला, गुलि बारुदनि माबाखौ स्टप खालामजोब्बायमोनब्ला, दिनै नोंथांमोना जे नोंथांनि गादिनि थाखायल' खोथाखौ बा गादिखौ बासायनो थाखायल' नोंथांमोना बेखिनि खोथाखौ नोंथांमोना पार्लामेन्टआव बुंहैदों नामा? आरो मोनसे खोथाखौ मोजां खोनासं। दिनै दिया नाब्ला सार BTR नि सासे सागोनगिरि, बिथाङा दिनैसिम दासिमानि जेलनिफ्राय मानो गवाखै? दिनैसिमबो नोंसोर दासिमबो पार्लामेन्टआव मानो बुंनो हायाखै? मा सानदों नामा नोंसोर रन्जन दैमारि सारमोना जेलनिफ्राय गबाथाय जोंनि गादिया जोबगोन, नङा होमबा? नोंसोर बेखौल'सो साननाय दं। सानदों नोंसोरो जोंनि गादिया जोबलांगोन। गादिनि थाखाय नोंसोर खामानिखौ मावदोंब्ला नोंसोर रिजाइन होनाया गाहाम। मिथिबाय? बबेयाव BTC बा BTR आव बबेयाव गोजोन थासारिखौ बबेबा नुखो नोंसोरो? नोंसोरनि गादिनि लबनि थाखायसो, गादिनि थाखायल' नोंसोरो गोजोन थासारिखौ नोंसोर मोनदों नामा? मिशन फिसन माबाफोरनो आइजोफोरनो मा होनो अरुनदय फैसानाय, बेखौ नोंथांमोना होदों बायदि सानदों नामा? बे जाय सरखारनिफ्राय फैखानाय बुस्थु। मिथिबाय? नोंथांमोना बेखौ दुगायनानै लाब गैया। रायजोफोर नोंथांमोना नायदो, रवंग्वरा नार्जारि सासे मा होनो बेखौ सिमार्टला इंलिस। अरे बाबा, बिदिखौ जोंबो फरायनानै जोंबो थख' नायनानै जेरै जों इंलिस फरायो, अ आ गुसुं गोलाव होनना फरायो, बहि लेखायाव नायै जोंबो बेबायदिखौ हागौ। गर' गगैया माबायदि खोथा बुंदों नाय। गर' गगैमोन बायदिया जेसेबां आसामनि बिखय बेसेबां खोथा बुंदों गावसोरनि एरियानि बिखय। जोंनि आसामनि बिखय बा जोंनि BTC नि बिखय नोंसोर बुंनो हादों नामा पार्लामेन्टआव? गैया। नों आंजोंसो ओरैसो नोंसोरो ओरैहाय बर'जों बर' ओरैहाय माने थाकार, बेनि अनगायै जेबो गैया। रायजोफोर भिडिअआ एसे गोलाव जाबाय नोंथांमोना रोंगोरा नार्जारिया मा बुंदों बा मा BTC आव बेसेबां गोजोननाय फैदों नोंथांमोना आं क्लिपखौ होनानैसै नोंथांमोना नायनांगौ जाबाय आरो सोरबाफोर आंनि बे गोदान YouTube चेनेलाव फैदोंब्ला अन्नानै कमेन्ट साबस्क्राइब शेयार खालामनो दाबाव।
I now call upon the members whose names have been received for participation in the discussion. List of speakers. Sri Rwnggwra Narjari.
Honorable Chairman, sir, thank you for giving me opportunity to speak on the motion of thanks to the President's address. I rise to say in support of motion of thanks, sir. Sir, the President's address in the joint sitting of both the Houses of Parliament can be called as visionary roadmap of Narendra Modi government for Viksit Bharat, carrying clear vision and direction for taking up the country to a new dimension. I express our deep appreciation and gratitude to the Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmuji, for her humble address to the joint sitting of both the Houses of Parliament. Honorable Chair, I on behalf of my party, United People's Party Liberal, would like to congratulate Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji, for his indomitable leadership, enabling him to assume third consecutive term as Prime Minister of India. I express my sincere gratitude and honor to him and his entire team of government. Sir, the government of India led by Narendra Modi ji has left no stone unturned to touch every nook and corner of the country's need of the people, and the nation wanted Modi ji for a secure and developed Bharat, and that is why people of the country once again come out to take NDA government and see Narendra Modi ji as Prime Minister for third time for the great nation like Bharat. Sir, I must appreciate the Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji for his comprehensive and inclusive policy towards the development of northeastern region of the country, which are reflected in the President's address again. During the last 10 years government, Modi ji's policy to bring sustainable peace in the northeast and accelerate the development simultaneously has been the priority. And as a part of its priority, the third border accord was signed in the year of 2020, through which Bodoland Territorial Region was created and the border movement came to an end, and the peace has been prevailing nowadays in the region. The peace border accord has become torchbearer for resolving many disputes of Northeast region, prompting several militants and other organizations to join mainstream and come out with amicable agreement in the region. Sir, in Assam, under the dynamic leadership of Dr. Hemanta Biswa Sarma, Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, outstanding development works have been undertaken with a view to build Assam as one of the 5th developed states in the nation. People of Assam expressed, reaffirmed hope and aspiration upon Dr. Sarma by signifying their thumping support in the last Lok Sabha election, where 11 out of 14 seats won by the NDA under the leadership of Dr. Sarma. Sir, Bodoland Territorial Region was created under the provision of 6th Schedule to the Constitution of India, comprising near about 4 million people of various caste, creed and religion. The people of Bodoland, under the leadership of Sri Pramod Boro as Chief Executive Member, are living peacefully with harmony and integrity in the region after immediate accord. 30 seconds. Sir, while supporting the motion of thanks, People's President address, I would like to call upon the government of India to make it convenient to provide a little space for accomplishment of Border Accord 2020 in the government's 100 days agenda. Sir, under the Hydrocarbon Vision 2030, Sri Rameswar Teli, the then MOS of Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas, announced Government of India's decision to finance and support BGR bungnai refinery expansion 2.7 to 5 metric ton million.
Thank
17
you.
November.
Thank you.
30 seconds. Sir. 17 November 2021.
Honorable Sri Niranjan VC. Honorable Niranjan VC. Please, 5 minutes. 5 minutes, please. Please, no.